Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to limit the results show about you on Google search, or how you can remove your info from Google search. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up Google search on your phone. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply click on the profile icon. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on result about you. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to click on the result that need to be reviewed. Like for instance, I have a Facebook result to be reviewed, which shows. So it looks like you control this information, but if you don't want this information to be appear on Google search about you again, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on detail request form. Once you click on detail request form, you can fill up the form, and Google is going to manually delete that particular information about you in Google search. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this about how best to use Google search, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.